The number of college students, I guess is in a particular college, is currently at 6,000. This function, n of t equals 13t squared plus 6,000, can be used to estimate n, the number of college students, t years from now. Based on this function, which statement is true? We're going to have four statements, but let's look at this function first. You have n is 13t squared plus 6,000. You might say that y equals x squared. Okay? N equals 13t squared. The parent function is y equals x squared, which looks like a what? A parabola, doesn't it? So let's remember that. We're dealing with a quadratic function that looks like a curve, where it's going to go up on both sides, all right? So this is what this function could look like. Something like this. At least this is what the parent function of this n of t looks like. Now, the number of college students is increasing at a constant rate. Well, the constant rate is called a slope, isn't it? Which deals with what kind of equations? Not curves, but what? Straight lines. So when you're increasing at a constant rate, that describes a linear equation. We get to eliminate f right now. Okay? G, the number of college students, will reach 7,300 10 years from now. We'll have to test this one. And if this one works, I won't have to worry about this one. The number of college students will increase by 300 people 2 years from now. So if I disprove G, I'll have to test H, because only one of these four is going to work. And then the number of college students will increase and then decrease. Well, increasing means it looks like it's going up, and decreasing means it's going down. Okay? So this is not the kind of parabola we have, is it? Ours could possibly decrease and then increase. Okay? Or it will just increase. It's certainly not going to increase and turn around and decrease. Okay? To have it look like this, I'd have to have a negative 13t squared, where y is negative x squared, where y always goes downward here. Okay? So this describes something that goes up, increases, and then does what? And then turns around and heads back down. Okay? That's not the shape of our function. We eliminate f because it's linear. We eliminate j because the parabola is going the wrong way. Okay? So we got to test g out now. If g works, I won't even try h. So let's test out g. G says we're going to have 7,300 students. How many years from now? So t is going to be 10, and n will be 7,300. So let's test it out here. See if we get 7,300. Find n for 10 years. In place of t, plug in a what? Okay. And 10 times 10 is what? 100, right? 1,300 plus the original 6,000. Okay. So it has 6,000 now, but in 10 years, we're going to add 1,300 students. So that's 7,300. That means G works. So we're going to pick G. We don't even have to test H.